Our top story at 6. After legal wrangling claims of lying and violation of oaths, the Beach family's civil lawsuit against Parkers and Alec Murdaugh will start in just over a month. And the family's attorney says he is ready.
News 3's Andrew Davis talked with Mark Tinsley about Parker's claims and the Beach family's state of mind.
He's joining us now from our Low Country newsroom.
Well, that's right. He's been accused of violating his oath and giving out privileged information so far. Both of those claims denied by a judge. But Mark Tinsley says he's still on this case because of the Beach family, and he plans to win to give them some peace and some closure.
I don't know how you expect someone to make the right decision if they won't acknowledge that what happened in the past was a result of wrong decisions or failures in the training program.
Those failures, Mark Tinsley says, led to Paul Murdaugh being able to buy alcohol with his brother's ID. Murdaugh then got drunk, crashed a boat with 6 people on board into a piling back in 2019, throwing Mallory Beach into the water, killing her. The clerk that day, Chajia Cohen, says in depositions she only checked if it was a valid driver's license, not if it matched the height or picture of whoever was holding it, because that was the Parker's company policy.
Was told specifically that she could rely exclusively on their point of sale scanner and didn't have to consider anything else. And that's not the law. That's not the way reasonable establishments do it. Now, that's the way you do it if you want to make sure you get every sale.
Parker's tried to kick Tinsley off the case twice, saying he gave out privileged information about it and violated both ethics and the law. Both times those claims were denied. Tinsley says it's all been deflection from the real issues.
Mr. Parker's characterization, well, if I have 1 million of 1% fault, well, whatever percentage you played, that's your percentage. And it doesn't matter how much money he's got. That's not the reason. We're going after him because he's at fault. His company's at fault, and they've refused to acknowledge their responsibility in it. I think that the intent was to lessen the family's resolve. It has had the opposite effect. It has stilled their resolve. This is not a case. This is a cause.
Now, Parker's attorneys sent this response to the questions about Tinsley and whether he should have been kicked off the case. They said, quote, "We filed the motion to disqualify Mark Tinsley and Tabor Vaux from this case in order to ensure a fair trial. Subsequently, the judge has made his decision, and we will look forward to presenting our case to a jury next month and exonerating Chajia Cohen and Parker's in this case." Now, the jury will have that final decision. That case expected to begin with testimony August 14th in Hampton County. Andrew Davis, WSCV News 3 on your side.
Andrew, thank you. We have been following this story from day one.